Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unblock someone on Facebook laptop. We start by opening our Facebook profile. Next, click on the account icon. Next, click on the Settings and Privacy option, and then on Settings. Now we are going to move the menu on the left and enter the blocking option. Then we will click on the Edit option within Block Users. Next, click on See Your Blocked List to see the users you have in that status. Locate the user you want to remove the block from and click on Unblock. Finish the action by clicking Confirm. You will see that it no longer appears on your blocked list. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.